Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got this right here. This is Proper Goods. This was actually sent to me by my friend Laura. So this is not a sponsored video. She does work with them, so she has a code, and I am going to put the code on the screen, so hopefully it'll benefit you guys as well. And I will have it listed down below with the description and in the comments with the link as well. So let's go ahead and get into this. So this is gluten-free, keto, low-carb, plant-based, and dairy-free. The meals typically only take 90 seconds to warm up. She did send me a variety of things. Some of this I've already tried, and I've tried so that I could tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so I've got 3 of the overnight oats. I actually really enjoy overnight oats because you pretty much just stick it in something with, you know, like if you use milk, water, whatever. I know this is redundant, but I use oat milk because it's gentle on my stomach. I prefer that over the nut milks. But anyways, so she sent me 3. The first one is a chocolate, peanut butter, and banana. She sent me 2 of those, and apple, cinnamon, and walnut. I did try one of these. It is good. One thing I will say, it is not very sweet. So if you're expecting sweet and you want it sweet, add a little honey, a little brown sugar, a little something. That's fine. But I think it is fine just like that, and I think these are really, really good. The next thing I got on my list here is the basmati rice. I know I said that wrong, but it comes with a little salt. I obviously already tried it. It is good. I do recommend this. This is obviously plain rice, so it doesn't really have much flavor to it, but you can add whatever seasoning you like, but I liked it just as is, so there's that. I did add a little butter because I like my butter, and I thought it was great. The last thing in the box that she sent me is blueberry coconut oatmeal, and this is steel cut oats with chai, flax, and hemp. I don't really know. It has directions on the back here showing you how to do it if you're going to microwave it, heat it in a pan, or boil it in a bag. See it right here. I will probably just microwave. I probably will throw it in my bag for work and eat it at work because, you know, I eat breakfast at work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this is a really good brand. I do highly recommend it. Again, check out the links below, and that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.